Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make potato salad. As you can see, we have some potatoes here, some carrots, some eggs, and then these are peas, and then we also have our mayonnaise here. So let's get right into the video. So after peeling the potato, you want to cut the potatoes into smaller chunks like this. And then you start by cooking the potatoes. Add a little bit of salt. Then let it cook till it gets ready. Then let's go to the carrots now. Peel the carrots because the outside is really dirty, so I want to peel all the not so good part from it. Then cut them into smaller chunks as well. So check your potato if they are tender. As you can see, mine is already tender. So what I like doing is that I just add my carrot to the potato to make it a little bit tender, because I need my carrot to be tender for the salad, salad. So the carrot has to be tender. Then leave it for like maybe 2-3 minutes, then bring it out. So as you can see, the potato is ready and the carrot is ready. And then we also have our boiled eggs here and also our peas. So what we do is that we cut the potato into smaller chunks, just how you want it. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. So it depends on who is eating it and what your preference is. Then cut your carrot into chunks too. Then cut your eggs. As you can see, here we'll add the potatoes, the carrot and the eggs. So what's left is the green peas. So you just add the green peas to it. So guys, this is our potato salad. So this is my dressing. I'm using mayonnaise for my salad. So you just add it to it. And your salad is ready. So you add your mayonnaise to your taste. Some people don't like too much mayonnaise, while others like a lot. So just add to your taste how you want it to be. And you know, Christmas is coming, so you can use this salad to eat your fried rice or jollof rice. Share it with your friends and tell me how it went. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.